So I'm here getting ready for Maurice to pick up, and I noticed the plug wire looked a little loose here on number 1. Well, the plug itself is loose. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to take care of this real quick. All right, so I snugged up number 1. I'm going to check the rest of these too. That one's tight. Now, it's funny. Chuck and I were talking while this was running, and he was saying, it sounds like it's missing. And I said, I know, it kind of does. Well, of course it's missing when it doesn't have any compression on the cylinder. So I'm just checking all these shits right now. Okay, everything on this side's tight. I'm gonna go to the other side in a minute. All right, passenger side. Eat. I like how these are all accels, and that one in the number 1 cylinder is an auto light. Odd. Alright, that's 2. That's all tight. So 4, 6, and 8 are tight. I'm going to check number 2, and then we'll be ready to go. Yeah, they're all tight except that one. Odd. And it's different too. Alright, figured out. Problem solved.